Pudina Pulao is basically mint fried rice, a delicious, vegetarian addition to any meal. Pudina Pulao is a healthy rice recipe which can be prepared within minutes. Fundamentally, mint leaves are grounded with coconut which is then later added to rice and other vegetables and cooked in pressure cooker. It is typically served with plain yogurt or even with onion tomato raita. Ingredients. For masala paste: handful mint, pudina, handful coriander, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 chili, 1/4 onion, 2 tablespoons coconut, grated 1 star anise, 2 pod cardamom, 5 cloves, lavang, 1/2 inch cinnamon, half a teaspoon pepper, salt as required. For pulao, mint fried rice: 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, 1 teaspoon cumin, jeera, 1 bay leaf, patta, 10 cashew, kaju, 1 onion, sliced 1 tomato, chopped 1/2 potato, aloo, cubed 1/2 capsicum, cubed 1/2 carrot, chopped 2 tablespoons peas, matar, 5 beans, chopped 2 cup water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup basmati rice. Total time, 25 minutes, preparation time, 5 minutes and cook time, 20 minutes. Serving, 3 persons. Course, pulao, this cuisine, South Indian and estimate calories, 423 kilocalories. Let's cook mint fried rice step by step to preference. 1. Firstly, in a small blender take handful mint and coriander. 2. Also add 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 chili, 1/4 onion and 2 tablespoons coconut. 3. Further, add 1 star anise, 2 pods cardamom, 5 cloves, 1/2 inch cinnamon and half a teaspoon pepper. 4. Further, add 1 star anise, 2 pods cardamom, 5 cloves, 1/2 inch cinnamon and half a teaspoon pepper. 5. In a pressure cooker heat 2 tablespoons ghee and sauté 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 bay leaf until it turns aromatic. 6. Add 10 cashews and roast until it turns golden brown. 7. Further, add 1 onion and sauté well. 8. Also, add 1 tomato and sauté until it turns soft and mushy. 9. Now add 1/2 potato, 1/2 capsicum, 1/2 carrot, 2 tablespoons peas and 5 beans. 10. Sauté for 2 minutes or until it turns aromatic. 11. Now add in the prepared masala paste and sauté well. 12. Further, add 2 cup water and 1 teaspoon salt. 13. Also, add 1 cup basmati rice and mix well. 14. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles or until rice are cooked well. 15. Yes, finally your prepared mint rice recipe ready to be served. Special notes. At first, make sure to use good quality basmati rice for good results. Also, adding vegetables to pulao is completely optional. Additionally, you can use garam masala in place for fresh spices in the masala paste. Finally, Pudina Pulao or mint rice recipe tastes great when served after 2 hours. Recipe writer, Monirul Islam, working as chef in Easy Diet BD and recipe writer. He is also working around the world for last 16 years. Qualified from TAFE Australia and has been working with David Jones Australia as a head chef. He is former chef of Seafood Steakhouse, Australia, Cafe 88, CBD, Sydney, Radisson Blu, Bangladesh, established 7 restaurants in Bangladesh. Doing TV show in various TV channel in Bangladesh. Grow together. Recipe museum growing gradually and we showcase foods, recipes, food tech information, innovations, etc. that improve lives. To advertise your product to our community just send us details to museumrecipe@gmail.com. Be social. Please subscribe our channel, like our Facebook page and join community, follow us on LinkedIn and tweet us on Twitter. Join with us. Let's have some fun reviewing food. Have a nice journey with Recipe Museum. We constantly look for writers, team members who want to be a part of us. If you are feeling in love with food, just contact us with your interest.